Welcome to Kids Zone Rhymes and Songs.
Ramadan is here, let's sing and cheer. The moon is shining, the night is clear. Lanterns glow so big and bright, filling hearts with joy and light.
We wake up early before sunrise, eating suhoor, big and wise.
Dates and milk, a bite to start, with love and prayers in our heart.
No food or drink, but we don't frown. Smiling faces all around the town.
Helping hands and words so kind. Ramadan brings peace to mind. Time to pray, time to share. Helping others shows we care. Give a smile, lend a hand, spread the love across the land. Sunset comes, it's Iftar time. Dates and water, so divine. One big table, family near, sharing meals with love sincere. When Ramadan days are full of light, it is coming, oh what a sight. New clothes, sweets and hugs so tight. Let's celebrate with pure delight.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.